Hey there, everybody. This is Jennifer coming to you with a quick tutorial on Craigslist marketing. If you have never used Craigslist before for marketing any type of business opportunity, this tutorial is going to be for you. Um, First thing that you have to do is go to Craigslist.org. Okay? If you've not used Craigslist before, this is the page that you will see. If you have used Craigslist before, the page that's going to come up is the last page that you visited, last city location that you visited on Craigslist. So, just to give you guys a quick rundown, Craigslist has the United States, Canada, Europe, the Middle East, Pacific Coast, and Asia, Oceania, Latin America, and Africa. Those are all of the continents and countries that you can choose to advertise in. If you're lucky like me and you have a global opportunity, Craigslist is a cash machine. Okay? So when you click on either the United States, Canada, Latin America, you see that it breaks down all of the city locations and the country locations that you can advertise in. Just for purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to use South Florida because that just happens to be where I'm located at. And you may want to stick to the closest metro city where you reside because Craigslist, they do monitor your IP address, they do monitor your account, what email you're using, um, and they make sure that you are not abusing Craigslist. And if you are living in South Florida but you're posting ads in zip codes in New York and Colorado and California and Nevada and North Dakota and North Carolina all in one day, within a few minutes of each other, they're going to wonder what is going on and that you're not using it for the proper purposes. So there's a couple of techniques that you're going to want to get used to, okay, when advertising on Craigslist. So you're going to notice that there's a lot of different sections here. There's community ads, personals, which obviously you'll stay away from, discussion forums, which this is great if you like to chit chat with people back and forth and you want to have a discussion, a live discussion about your business or your product or your opportunity. Okay, if you have a product that's for sale, if you're in a direct sales industry, you can click on the for sale section and you see that there's all different breakdowns of the types of products. So choose the one that fits your product or your organization, okay, and then you can place it for sale in there. Now, what I personally stick to when I market on Craigslist are three sections, and I'm going to show you right now what those are. The job section. Scroll down a little bit. The gig section. And the resumes. A lot of people overlook this resume section, I guess because there's nothing underneath it. I think it's just maybe they don't even know that it's there a lot of times, but that is it's going to be huge in your marketing if you're looking for team building. Okay, customers you would do for sale, team building you would do resumes, gigs, and jobs. Now you see that the job section is also broken by industry. If you're looking to build a team, you would want to do, sales, business development. I actually like to use the real estate section because a lot of real estate agents, they do sales and um, they're looking for streams of income that will help them leverage what they're already doing. My product happens to be something that people can utilize in their home, and a real estate agent builds trust with their clients. They're selling them a home. So what happens is you place this ad in the real estate section. I'm looking for, you know, real estate agents that have experience and would like to partner with me on a product idea where you can streamline your real estate sales and get a second stream of income. So that's how I do that. I also like to advertise in the food, beverage, and hospitality section because there's a lot of waitresses, busboys that are new to the job world and are looking to find themselves, and they need the extra income and they're looking for possibly a business opportunity. So I do advertise in there and also the part-time section. Now, something that you need to understand when you place an ad in the job section, I'm going to show you. You click on post to classifieds. You're going to click job offered. But I want you to notice something. You see it says price here, $25 per category selected. Okay, so if I choose food and beverage, that's $25. Now I also want to do sales, let's say. You see it says $50. Okay, if you have the money to spend, people use Craigslist. They look here at these ads. Okay, it's going to be money well spent. But if you're new in your business, we have this gig section. Do the same thing. You click post classifieds, gig offered, and either you want to hire somebody or you have a service to offer. I want to hire somebody. Now you're going to choose the category. I like to choose domestic gigs and computer gigs, but that's just for me. It works for my, and I also like to do event gigs. That just happens to work for my industry. So now I chose, remember, South Florida as my Craigslist city. So what comes up are the 3 counties, the metro area counties that come up and make up South Florida. So I want to choose one of these, either Miami-Dade County, Broward County, or Palm Beach County. I'm going to choose Palm Beach County, okay? Now, I'm not going to type this out. I'm just going to show this to you for demonstration purposes, but you want to put your email address in here. I always click Craigslist Mail Relay. That is the recommended. So that way, if there's vultures out there who are just looking to collect people's email addresses, your email address is hidden, okay? You put a catchy title, the location where you are, and you have to put a zip code. If your zip code doesn't match the IP address that you're coming from, that's how they're going to monitor how many posts you're putting out there, okay? I always say pay, and then I describe the compensation here. So that will be something that you'll want to do as well. And then you'll click continue, and it'll give you the option to put pictures or not pictures, and then you publish it. Okay, so what happens then is you're going to receive an email. The email is going to come from Craigslist, and it's going to say, you must approve this posting before it goes live. So you're going to go to your email address. You're going to click accept. Yes, you're going to allow it to go live on the internet, and then people will be able to see your post. If you don't do that, they will never see it, okay? So again, the job section charges $25 per category. The gig section is free. You're going to get a different type of clientele, okay? A different kind of person is going to look at gigs and is going to look at jobs, but gigs is a great way to get started. Now, my favorite is clicking resumes. Every single listing in the resume section is somebody looking to make income. They are looking for a job, they are looking for either a part-time income, or they're looking to replace the job that they have, or maybe they lost their job recently and they're looking for a new one. So you're going to find all kinds of people, all kinds of backgrounds, and all types of experience. So what I like to do is narrow that down. My industry, I'm looking for people who have experience in sales. So I'm going to come up here to this search area, and I'm going to type in the word sales and click the search icon. And as you see, it's currently displaying the first 100 resume posts out of 614 that include the word sales either in the title, in the resume, or in the description. Okay, so as you can see, you just scroll down and it's all types of sales backgrounds and people looking to make income. I'll just choose any one. This says hardworking, multi-talented woman seeks job in West Palm Beach. Okay, some people put photos, some people don't. As you see, she put a description here. She's looking for a steady job to replace the on and off again job she has now. She's looking for stability, security. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click reply. Okay. You have the opportunity to contact her by phone. You can copy and paste this email address, which is the same here. They just highlight it for you. Or you can click Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, Hotmail, whatever your email provider that you use, and you just click it. Notice I didn't do anything else. I just clicked it. And it automatically pulled up the email account that I'm logged into. Okay? So now I can type whatever I want to, and I can send it to her, and she will receive it. And it's that's simple. It's really easy. Now, some people will put their entire resume on here. Some people just, put a little bit of information. And I would use this in your post that you're sending to them, okay? So I like to say, my name is Jennifer, and I'm contacting you in regards to your post that you had on Craigslist. And what I would like to do is talk to you a little bit further about an opportunity that I have available. And then I'll put either if it's part-time or if it's full-time type of hours. And then I'll say something like, the reason that I reached out to you was because you have a background in sales, and I'm looking for a strong salesperson here locally to work with me. If this is something that you're still looking for, then please give me a call. I give my phone number, and I keep it short and sweet, and I don't give too many details. Okay? You want to have them contact you. That way you can see if they're right for your team, and you can discuss the opportunity with them. You can answer their questions. You can get them signed up right then and there. And that's pretty much it. Just like I said, make sure that you're not over posting. If you post a duplicate post today that you did yesterday, make sure you change it by 30%. That way you don't get flagged and blacklisted by Craigslist. Make sure you're not posting outside of your your area. That way you're not being flagged and blacklisted by Craigslist. And in the gig section, make sure that you do not mention if it's a multi-level marketing, network marketing, or any type of opportunity, because if you put a MLM link, your ad will get flagged, and you won't even know it, but it'll just be removed and nobody will be able to find you. So if you stick to those rules, it's very simple to utilize Craigslist as one of your avenues to build your work-at-home business. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I look forward to your success. Make it a great day.